Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide chart data table in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a chart with data table. Now we want to hide or show the data table of this chart. Click the chart. Then go to the chart element and we can see here many options. We check marks of the data table and hide the data table, then check mark on to show the data table. Now we can see here we hide or show the data table of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.